My name is Beck Williams. I'm a Policy and Development Worker with ARC Scotland, and I co-facilitate the Scottish Transitions Forum. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Principles into Practice. The Scottish Transitions Forum aims to improve the experiences of young people aged 14 to 25 who require additional support, who are making the transition to young adult life. We have over 1,000 members from all sectors, including health, social work, education, third sector, and of course parents and carers and young people as well. Several years ago now, we published the Principles of Good Transitions 3, which identifies 7 key principles that provide a framework to support the coordination of transitions planning and support. These have been widely endorsed and been referenced in Scottish Government policies and have informed local planning and practice across Scotland. This is great, however, we're still hearing from young people and families across the country who are having a really difficult experience of transition. At the same time, we're also hearing from health and social care partnerships who are struggling with how they coordinate and plan support for young people at this critical time in their lives. So over the past 2 years, in consultation with young people, parents and carers and professionals, we've developed Principles into Practice. It offers practical guidance and evaluation measures to improve planning and delivery of support for young people as they make the transition to young adult life. Involving young people and their parents and carers is essential to Principles into Practice to ensure that services are evaluated and improved based on their lived experiences. The approach we have taken to data and evaluation is to make the best use of existing data sources and coordinate feedback from young people, carers and staff. Within the framework, for each principle, we provide descriptors for how local planning and practice might look across 3 categories: assessing, improving, and delivering. For each principle, we've sought to identify and define the essential elements on which sound planning and practice should be built. You'll see from this example that the only way that you could assess that you're in the delivering column is that if you've been receiving this feedback directly from young people and parents and carers. To do this, you need a robust way to continually gather this feedback. We have developed a web-based application called Compass to help you with this. Compass is a web-based application we have developed in partnership with groups of young people and parents and carers. There are 2 versions. The one you're seeing here is the parent-carer version. It is designed to guide and support families through the transitions process by providing relevant information at appropriate times and signposting onto other resources. As well as providing information, it enables them to provide feedback on their experiences so that services and support can be improved. The questions we ask them here link back to that delivering column I showed you earlier. The young person's version of the app will look and function very differently. A prototype of Compass will be initially trialled with parents, carers and young people in the enhanced trial areas. Once we are confident it is effective, it will be then offered out to other areas. So why use Principles into Practice? It will enable you to empower more young people to reach their potential, to provide families with the support that they need, and address the long-running challenges associated with providing effective support for young people going through transition. It will also allow us to move towards a preventative rather than reactive model of care and support, and make best use of limited resources and avoid duplicating effort. With support from Scottish Government officials, we are trialling Principles into Practice in 10 participating local authority areas over 2 years. Of these 10 areas, 2 have been selected to undertake an in-depth trial with greater support from ourselves. By the end of the trial, there will be a fully developed and tested framework and evaluation resources. These will be made available to every local authority area in Scotland. This work is supported by the Scottish Government through the Creating Positive Futures Division and SciPIC, the Children and Young People's Improvement Collaborative, who are bringing their expertise in quality improvement. If you'd like more information, please visit the Principles into Practice website or get in touch with a member of our team.